When you take the time to edit a whole video, you've gone to an event, you've enjoyed yourself, you've got wonderful footage, you know, everybody's having fun, you're excited about this footage, you start to edit, you edit, you do it. And then the edit exports and it finishes and you save the video and you look at it and it looks different than it looked inside the app and everything's wrong. And so with that being said, I'm about to tell y'all the 5 mistakes that I make whenever I'm editing a video. First mistake. I probably don't shoot enough footage. So I get footage and it'll be good up to a certain point, but then it's like points, and I notice it as I'm editing the video, is points that I didn't get like after whatever it was that I was there for. So it's like I'll get everything leading up, I'll get the event, but then my footage after the event or like after the performance or after whatever is like very, very lackluster. So that's the first mistake that I make. Mistake number 2, I tend to not give myself enough time to edit the video. Okay, so I don't give myself enough time. I literally will try to edit the whole thing in a day. And if it doesn't work out, I get frustrated with it. I don't want to come back to it. Instead of like editing a little bit here, go and do something else, come back, edit a little bit here, go back, come back, do something else. I try to do it all in one swoop, and that never turns out good because, like I said, I get frustrated and then I just give up. The third biggest mistake I make when editing videos is that I'm not in the video enough. So I'm capturing everything around me. I'm capturing people doing this. I'm capturing people doing that. But where's me? Where am I? Who's holding the phone? Who's recording? Who? I don't know. Do you know? Do you know who's recording? I don't know who's recording. So I don't show me enjoying the event enough. So that's the third mistake that I make. Where's Nelly? The fourth mistake that I make is not choosing the right editing program. Guys, it's so important to just invest in a good video editing software or app on your phone, on your iPad, your tablet, whatever, your computer. Invest in a good one. There's millions, gazillions of video editing apps and programs out here, and a lot of them are trash. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to say it because I've ran through so many apps on my phone editing videos, and there are only a few that are good. I like Power Director for your phone. That's available on Android and iOS if I'm not mistaken, or Apple. But yo, choose the right editing software, okay? Make sure that it has everything in it that you want a need to edit your video. If you want effects, make sure that it comes with good effects. If you're not big on effects but you're more on the filter side, make sure it's got good filters. Just choose the right program because that's going to make your job and your life a whole lot easier, and it's going to make your content a whole lot better. Okay? And the fifth mistake that I make while editing my videos is rushing. Actually rushing through the actual editing. So I'm not taking my time with each scene, with each piece of content that I have, with each video, photo, whatever it may be. I'm kind of rushing through it. I'm not taking my time to actually, you know, really dive into each piece and segment of the video to see exactly what I want and what I need. So along with that mistake, I'll throw in like a bonus number 6 would be like having too long of a clip. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like a 3-minute clip in a video that's not split, no transitions. I didn't drag this part and put it here. I didn't drag that part and put it there. It's just 3 minutes of this. You know what I'm saying? So the rushing process and not grabbing and not paying attention to the important parts of the video that should be shared and that people will actually want to see. So guys, that's my the 5 biggest mistakes that I make when editing a video. I really try to like dive all the way in, but sometimes I just feel like my patience isn't there when it comes to editing a video. So unless I have like some really fire footage where I actually got everything that I want and it's good, it's not the clips aren't too long and everything like that, then I usually can nail it. But like sometimes I just really get lazy, you know what I'm saying? Lazy or frustrated, and I'm just like, I can't do this, or I don't want to do this, you know, and that's not good. So either way, I hope that this video helped you guys. I hope that you guys could take something from this and learn from my mistakes. Okay, and happy editing. Yep. If you like this video, if you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it. Leave comments down below. All positive vibes, guys, because that's what we're here for, to learn, teach, and grow. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, it's been real. Peace.